The faculty and administration
Hey Bruce, how you doing?
at the McWhorter School of Pharmacy at Sanford University in Birmingham, Alabama, have crafted a very unique curriculum for their students.
McWhorter School of Pharmacy at Sanford University offers a pharmacy education in a Christian context. This is something that we do very uniquely and we believe very well. It's an opportunity for students to really get to know who they are and to be able to pursue their life's calling in pharmacy.
All McWhorter Pharmacy students are required to take an ethics course as part of their unique curriculum.
In the curricular design, we knew that we wanted to have an ethics course of some sort. And we also wanted to incorporate the Christian principles upon which this university is based. And so that's how this Ethics in Christianity and Healthcare course came about.
And amazingly, and this to me, I think is the most incredible thing of all.
The purpose of the course is not to evangelize, but to educate. And I think it's surprising for the students that they can see how easily the Christian principles that we talk about can relate to the pharmacy profession.
One of the ways the Christian principles relate to the profession is by serving the underserved, where students also receive hands-on, experiential, interprofessional training.
At the Jefferson County Department of Health, the students have the opportunity to really work within a true interdisciplinary environment. So they're working alongside physicians, nurses, social workers, nutritionists, and it's really a life-changing experience because you're seeing the impact that you as a provider can have on a patient that desperately needs your help.
In addition to a strong program providing experiential learning opportunities throughout the Southeast and the U.S., the school also offers international experiences.
We've been exchanging students and faculty members in Great Britain for at least 30 years. And many years later, in 1996, we then established the Asian Conference on Clinical Pharmacy. As a founding member of that organization, we partnered with colleagues from China, Japan, and Korea to be able to get clinical pharmacy concepts and teaching embedded into the Asian educational system.
The school also established a pharmaceutical Sciences Research Institute.
The research experience allows students to take what they've learned in the classroom and come into the laboratory and actually apply that in a hands-on setting. It challenges them to think outside of the box and to be able to develop their logical problem-solving skills and working on cutting-edge new research topics and the discovery and development of new therapeutic entities to treat disease.
Additionally, McWhorter offers experiences within new specialty areas for pharmacists, like pediatric pharmacy.
In, flush is going in.
Medicine's in. We see patients who can be a very small infant that weighs maybe 3 kilograms up to adolescents who are at adult size weights. And if we may have to give each of those patients the same medication, but knowing what's the right amount for each one, how different levels of development will metabolize drugs is really an area where a pharmacist can add expertise.
This case was a case of a patient with SVT.
Students appreciate close relationships with faculty and the one-on-one attention they receive throughout their academic careers.
I've been able to develop a pharmacy radio show called Healthy Dose, and without the support of the pharmacy school, nothing like this would have happened.
Before I got to McWhorter, everyone always talked about the open door policy, which means if the professor is in their office, their door is always open for you to come in. So with the education that you receive here at McWhorter, as well as the gifts that God has already given you, how can you not transform other people's lives?